right, so our first challenge of the morning is to create Christmas card greetings, Jamaican style. So first we have to think of the person we're sending the card to, then personalize what we would like to say to them and compose our thoughts as a greeting as it would appear on the front of a Christmas card. So the first one is from my best friend. I told you, you know.
Eh?
I told we work together, you know.
Together?
Yeah. We are a team. We all have the same colors and things. So first one is from my best friend. All right, so I send one to the great Crossbill.
Yeah.
So on the front.
I don't think you can really talk what will be on the front of your Christmas card to Crossbill.
All right, on the front, I say, Bridging, I wish I have a wonderful and art. Well, that's not part of us still.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, say, so I'd start by saying Bridging, and I spell it Bridging, B-R-E-D-R-E-N. So? R-I-N. All right, so I say Bridging. The eye hope, so the eye just have a Irie and... Yeah, Irie not good enough.
What about my bonafide?
Yeah, but...
Isn't that what it...
Bonafide a patois though?
Yeah, in our context.
No, bonafide no patois.
Bonafide as we use it
all right,
in
so
our context.
I said Bridging. I hope the eye, you'll finish it.
No, it's your card to Simon, I can't.
I hope the eye have a bonafide Christmas. How that?
Okay.
Oh, you're one now. Best friend. Your
best friend.
Danny.
Sisterin.
Your teeth, my Bridging.
My dupes.
All right.
Respect in every aspect.
That's it?
This not hard. It's not a peps.
What?
Friends forever. You know the shreps.
Show off. You show off. All right.
That's my card today.
Yeah, well, you win.
It's not a
For your
competition.
boss.
For my boss.
No, for your co-worker.
Co-worker.
Say who? Like who? Give me a co-worker. Guys, plenty of co-worker. Sheffield. What's that? Yeah, Sheffield. So I say Sheffington. I'm not give you nothing for Christmas, even though you're my brother.
Chef is looking at you expectantly like...
It's the chef.
Yes.
And that I say Sheffington, I'm not give you nothing for Christmas, even though you're my brother. Much love still, Rastafari.
Eh?
Yo, which co-worker? You have to tell me who you know.
I have several.
Yeah, but you have to tell me one. I have several too. You have to say one.
No,
It can't
it's
be
a
just
blanket.
a generic thing. No.
It's a blanket.
No.
Enough things we do. Enough things we go through. But despite the Gideon, we can always trust you.
Despite
Yeah.
the Gideon.
Yeah.
Where the Gideon? That's the same
Gideon
place
is
in
all
Babylon,
around us.
The Gideon is the same place in Babylon.
Yes, no. Gideon up in Babylon.
All right. So for your boss, which one?
Right?
Which one? Mr. Allen, Mrs. Grant, which one of them? Tell me
Your
which
boss, any boss.
one. I don't know what I'm getting.
Why would it be a negative
Mrs.
card?
Grant, Mrs. Grant. So boss lady, even though you know give me the money when we do hand still for the whole year, but just I pray say you and your family just enjoy the little turkey we ever eat, see?
Turkey?
That
Isn't
kind
that
of
thanks-
so.
Jeez. That's the cover or all of it?
That is the cover, but it's a big card. She deserves it. She's a good boss.
Okay.
Yo,
Boss.
which boss?
Since you take TVJ, let me take Grace Kennedy.
Yeah. So Mr. Webby?
Dear
Careful,
sir.
Careful. Here you start, dear sir. No, sir. No patwa no go, sir. You don't have to say
Mr.
boss
Webby.
Bridging. No patwa no go, sir. Just say boss Bridging.
What you say? What I'm bossy? You know what GK would do it saucy.
Hey.
He
Oh,
ever clean. never naughty.
Whatever that
Just
was.
run the
Saucy.
bonus.
Oh, run the
And
bonus.
make we talk
Me
it.
like it.
All right, for the holiday season, this is generic. What did she say? What did they say?
I cannot tell you what Sheffield just said.
Chef, what did you say?
Not Sheffield. The president, not Sheffield.
Oh, not interested.
Him just said boss, and him use a word that rhyme with boss.
Like fast,
Close enough.
lost.
Almost.
Okay.
Alright, for the holiday season, even if you get it, you can't say it for your season if you work it out.
I
For the
figure.
holiday season, I mean, to whom? Just regular holiday thing? Oh, just a regular holiday season? Generic?
Trying to make your holiday point. Start every day good. With smile.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong. Make go with
Generic,
that. You make
generic.
Two of those.
Two
and
of
the next
those.
one, with religious meaning. Yeah, but I always tell myself, me this and me, I better you work with God with that one.
Me?
I don't want to mix with me. With religious meaning.
No matter what you think, no matter what the reason, always remember the cause for the season.
Can't live with that.
Yes.
Two of it.
All right. You say you take one with fries. Is that order?
No,
you
man,
make?
me work with Simone.
Ah.
But the mass production. I like it. I like it. I like that shot. That's nice. Looks Christmassy.
Well, probably because it's
That's the
Christmas.
Christmas card outlet. Eh? People still, and I serious way, people still go buy Christmas card and send Christmas card to people and things. When last you send a
suppose.
Christmas card?
I can't even remember. But you know, there are people who've come out with like very creative
Yeah, man.
Jamaican Christmas cards that are really lovely. So if you can support that local
So I have a
industry.
question. So we used to send letter, we used to send card. We don't do that no more because we have computer, we have phone. So what's next? When liquid the computer
Good question.
and the phone?
Holographic, hologram, will appear and
So we
disappear.
just ball out, we just go outside.
Snap your
and
finger
just
and you reach.
say, Happy birthday! I just see. I just see the happy birthday. Just
I don't know where it's going, but however you choose to do it, guys, make sure that you greet somebody, send some love. Whether there's a Christmas card or a Christmas call. A lot of us are texting and WhatsApping these days, or video calling, or whatever it is. Just make sure you reach out to the important people in your life this season.
Yeah.
And even just, people you see on the street, and that's what's lovely about
Yeah,
Christmas.
I'm not done with Sheffield yet. We have another card to send to Sheffield. Sheffield, remember to send I Christmas present with plenty money, see?